Good afternoon, guys, from Saigon. Today is Valentine's Day, and as you can see, my hair is getting a little bit long, and this is not going to cut it for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to need a haircut. But the only problem is the usual barber I go to, he's actually taking vacation because, you know, around Valentine's Day is Tet holiday. People go on vacation for maybe a week or so. So my usual barber is unavailable. So unfortunately can't go to him, but I had another idea. Usually when I walk around town, I see these amazing barbers where they have a chair and then they just set up somewhere like this and they just cut people's hair. Kind of like this. So I'm right near the Saigon Zoo. The Saigon Zoo is right over there. And I happened to notice that there's a bunch of barbers sitting here available for giving a haircut. So I'm gonna risk it all. And I'm going to risk my hair and everything on a Streetside haircut. So yeah, let's check it out. You can see they literally just set it up and you can do it. I'm not sure who the barbers are, but it looks like they have a setup here that hopefully I can do. Looks like everyone's getting their Valentine's Day haircut, so maybe I'll have to wait a little bit and hopefully it'll be okay. Xin chào. Xin chào. Cho anh một hot
Quay.
yeah.
Vui vẻ nhá. Vui vẻ nhá. Gia đình vui vẻ rồi.
Looks like I have to wait a little bit. Em có thể quay video được không? Một chút.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so I asked if I could record. Just want to show the setup. So they have a mirror, has all the tools, and is giving a spectacular haircut. And looks like they have all the tools you need. They have a straight razor. They have a bunch of different shaving things. So my plan is I'm just going to show him a picture of what I want, and hopefully he can just replicate it for Valentine's Day. So I'm kind of just waiting here now, but it's so cool to see. You know, people, they come on their motorbike and they just pull up next to one of these three guys here, and then they sit on the stools like I am and just wait. And I read online that some of these hair barbers, they have decades and decades of experience, and this is like a huge tradition, part of Saigon, but I believe it's kind of fading away a little bit. I guess the younger generation doesn't really partake in these street-side barbershops anymore. But yeah, hopefully this will be a great video and will keep the tradition of street-side barbers alive. Okay, it is my turn. Wow, 为什么你中文这么好？
会一点点啊。香港啊？
啊，杭州。
杭州。
Let me show him. Like something like possible.
Okay.
And then the front. M usually like do.
Okay.
Okay, come on. So here we go.
Hả? Chúc Quốc nó ăn Tết mình là
chú tên gì?
tên Trình.
Trinh.
Ở Việt Nam lâu chưa?
À,
Ở Việt Nam mấy năm rồi.
mấy làm.
Tết có về
Không hiểu.
Tết có về chúc mừng năm mới, có về Trung Quốc không?
Đúng rồi. Em làm ở đâu bao nhiêu năm? No, chú làm ở đâu bao nhiêu năm?
30 năm.
30 năm.
30 năm.
Wow. Chú thích hot talk không?
Sao?
Chú thích hot talk không? Không hiểu. Xin lỗi. You can see my Vietnamese is not the best here. So far, so good. Okay, finished up here. This is the result. Chú nói tiếng Anh một chút?
Hả?
Nói tiếng Anh? Chú nói tiếng Anh?
Tiếng Anh không biết.
Không. Oh. Okay, so this is the cut. Looked pretty good. And then I also asked for like a little ear trim too. So let's see what that is all about. And all in all, it was super fast, maybe 5 to 6 minutes most for a complete cut. Okay, we are lying now. We're lying here now, getting ready for my first ear cleaning. And you can see he's putting on a light. So I guess he's gonna look deep into my ear hole and do it. Yeah, never tried before, so very much looking forward to it.
I was looking at there's two other.
Wow, finished? Okay, cảm ơn nhiều. Bao nhiêu tiền?
100.
100? Okay. So I think you could pay with cash, or I think he has QR transfer too. New. Oh, this is Dien Tuai Kua. Oh wow. So if you guys can call him. Okay, come on new. All right, there you go, guys. For about 100K Ninh Dong, you can get a haircut as well as an ear cleaning for roughly, that's what, roughly $4. So this is my cut. I'm gonna obviously shower and then evaluate how everything is. But you can see super covered the hair. But yeah, there it is. You gotta evaluate later. Hopefully this will work for Valentine's Day and I won't be rejected for my haircut.